If you live in Norway, please answer this question for me and put your answer in the comments down below. How do you pronounce this word right here? I say Coop because as when I came to Norway, everyone that I know says Coop. But this is to reply to Irina's comment, and thank you so much, Irina, for your comment. Fun fact for you, Coop is not pronounced Coop, but co-op as it is short for cooperative. Well, yes, co-op is short for cooperative. And fun fact for you, Irina, the United States of America, where I'm from, has tens of thousands of co-ops. As you see here, see First Alternative Natural Foods Co-op. And most of the time in the United States, it will say that co-op with the dash in between so that you know it's co-op. Here's another example, People's Food Co-op, right? So for over 30 something years of my life, I have only ever said co-op because, as you see, that's what it is. It's a co-op. But it's when I came to Norway that the Norwegians, everyone was like, oh, Coop, 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 Coop. I'd never heard anyone ever say Coop before in America because it says co-op, right? You wouldn't say Coop there because it says co-op. And come to think of it, I've actually never heard not even one Norwegian person say co-op when speaking about Coop. I'm not saying they don't, but I just haven't heard it. Because it's still, even to me, it's like Coop. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Even when I lived in Svalbard, which obviously is still a part of Norway, you have the Svalbard Butikken, which is the Coop, as you see here. I just want anybody watching this to put in the comments, do you say Coop or do you say co-op when talking about this brand? You know, they have the extra store, they have, you know. So just tell me, how do you pronounce it?